So this is the fitting you need when you're replacing these hoses. It's going to be 1.5 inch MIP by 1.5 inch solvent. Schedule fee, schedule 40 PVC adapter. Alright, I got this one at Lowe's, and you could get the equivalent at Home Depot. I put some Teflon tape on it. And this is the pipe, and this is the 1.5 inch solvent pipe. PVC, schedule 40. Alright, so you need several of these. You need one for this location, one for there, yep, one for here, one for here, one for here, and one for here. So you need 2, 4, and 5, 6 of these. Right, and you need to get appropriate elbows. When you are running the outlet from here, it needs to be out about 6 inches for the proper water flow of the pump, not to strain the motor. So I'm going to come this way, and then I'm going to go down, then I'm going to go straight across, and then straight up to that one. Okay, so here it is. So 1.5 inch pipe, 1.5 inch fittings. So this is complete with the elbow that goes over there up to the skimmer. There's another one here that comes across, goes into the filter. This one goes from here to the pump, and that's it, all done. So 1.5 inch pipes will connect. It's the connections you need for this, all right, and for here as well. So I did a lot of research online, didn't see anything about it, and the pump is 1 horsepower S55CX GYM 8422. 1 horsepower right there. Alright, any questions, let me know. If I did something that I shouldn't have done, also let me know. Thanks.